Something inside me has always been there. But now it's awake. And I need help.
See that? This wouldn't be comfortable on here, but we're gonna, there's all different positions. You can roll it around. And you really, that's about as far as I want to pull that. This thing's got so much power when you pull it, but the dent is out already. If I want to look at it, I can always just move it around, move my position, and it's in a perfect position. Oh, there it popped off. And you can tell it's a little too far, but it looks good. In any position, this Lift Rite, it really works well. It's Brian from the Dent Zones, and you could do anything with this to make it more comfortable. It's so much easier on your wrist. And, now the dent is about gone, but this Lift Rite, not only can you adjust to where you want your hand is more comfortable, whatever angle you're working on, and it has way more power than any other lifter. So thanks for watching the Dent Zones, and we'll see, maybe I'll do an end result here. Thanks, bye. Jeffrey, oh, I'm filming, Jeffrey. Do you want to get on camera?
Hell no.
Oh, hell no.
I don't know where you're gonna post that.
I don't know. Yeah, I still got glue on here. I didn't take it off. Put it on there and put it on YouTube when we're done.
YouTube?
Hopefully, I don't have to take this panel off, but get finish this with another pull. Alright, one-handed now. This is still easy with the Lift Rite. Okay, I knew they weren't going to stick too good. We're just looking for a little pull. Hang on. This one's going to stick. One-handed. I'm going to swivel it where I want it. One-handed. And we're finishing up these two. Little waves left. Alright, we're all done here. I'm not a big glue pulling guy. We get this side, and we get this side. But the Lift Rite worked great. I know it's hard to see. Nothing's ever perfect, but both sides are dented, but the Lift Rite did a great job. Like I said, I'm not a big glue guy. I try to use the rod as much as I can, but it really works great. Give the Lift Rite a try. I did not get it for free. I'm just saying I really like it. Alright guys, it's Brian from the Dent Zones. Have a great day. Bye. Alright, one-handed now. This is still easy with the Lift Rite. Okay, I knew they weren't going to stick too good. We're just looking for a little pull. Hang on. This one's going to stick. One-handed. I'm going to swivel it where I want it. One-handed. And we're finishing up these two. Little waves left.